Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to do the unboxing of this pair of shoes that I just bought. Reason behind why I bought this pair of shoes is I'm having trouble with my feet, and I went to the doctor and they stated that I have like the plantar fasciitis. So, and I already took some shots too. But to some people that helped, but to me it doesn't, and I guess the condition gets worse. And I've been searching on Google, watching YouTube videos to find out what really helped those people with the same type of symptoms that I'm going through. And they mentioned about this brand. It's called KURU shoes, and again, I bought 2 pairs with my own money, and they're very expensive by all means. Before this, I've been buying like Skechers, the memory foam, which is really good. You know, there's about $80, $100. But this one, a pair is like $160 to $175. And I actually bought 2 of them. But I guess today they only ship out one only. So we're gonna do the unboxing of whichever one that they send it out. All right. Oh, wow. Simple as that. So this one, it's just a slip-on, and I don't know if I pronounced the name of the company correctly, but it's KURU. I don't know. You tell me, whoever. All right. So I don't know if you heard about this brand before, but from what I've doing the research and before I even spent this much money on a pair of shoes, it just, you know, and all the reviews that I've read so far, it's like just awesome, really good. So as you can see, this is it. They have like the wide one and they have the regular ones, I think, and my feet, they're like wide, so I got the wide one, and this is size 9. So I don't know if it's gonna fit me, because sometimes the size 9, not all size 9s are the same. So, but hopefully this will be the same. But yeah, all you can see the inside, this is the model numbered and everything, or you know, the style, whichever you call it. But they're very well known, and I think there's a few doctors that I've watched on YouTube that are, I don't know whether they're sponsored by KURU or they use it and they love it and they recommend it to us. But it's very simple, and the quality wise, really nice. And I think, look, from here with the padding inside, with this insert, you can remove them. Because I think, let's see, can I remove the one inside? No, the one inside, if you can see right here, it's very hard. It's very, can you hear it? Yeah. But the insert here, you can remove it. So I'm wondering if we can buy, if when we wear them out, can we buy this, just the insert itself? But here, stick it back on. Because right now, even with the Skechers shoes that I have, I also bought like the insert from Dr. Soul, which is like, I think like $10 from Walmart, and it does help. But over time, the bottom part here, it wears out really quick too. So, but I'm gonna try it on and see how it feels. So let me show you guys. So like this, slip it on. I don't know. Already, I feel like it's really comfortable. It looks like it has an arc like that to support the feet. But I can't really give you a review until I actually wear them for a while. But just like any new pair of shoes, when I try it on, you can somewhat kind of feel whether it's gonna hurt your feet or not. But this one, it actually feels really good. So, really nice. So, all right, so that's pretty much just for this video. Is mainly just for the unboxing and the condition of myself with like plantar fasciitis. So if you're in the same conditions as me, you're looking for a new pair of shoes that will last longer, that will help your body, that will ease the pain. Follow the channel, because I'm gonna do a follow-up videos on these shoes and see how, if it's gonna help me, and if the money that I spend on these pair of shoes are really worth it, and the reviews that I've seen online are real reviews or not. Because when you come to these channels, it's pretty much I spent the money of my own, testing it out, trying it, and give my feedback on the product. Sometimes I do get products that are sent from the merchants or the sellers to for me to review, and those I will let you guys know in the video as well too, whether they send it or not. But as far as this one, I spent it with my own money. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the full review.